Hello. In last class, we complete the one-dimensional relative motion. In this class, we continue the same concept in two-dimensional. So, in two-dimensional relative motion, relative motion is a comparison. Relative motion is a vector subtraction. Relative motion is a difference. Relative motion is a vector comparison. One is A vector, another one is B vector. Then vector A bar minus B bar. This is a relative vector of A with respect to B. So, same as relative vector B with respect to A, that is B bar minus A bar. This is relative. Relative motion means comparison it is. Relative is nothing but it is comparison. But this relative motion in two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means using one plane. So, this is one plane. It is nothing but x and y plane. So, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. In xy plane, that means two-dimensional, two direction of displacement. One is x direction displacement, another one y direction displacement. Two direction of velocities. One is x direction velocity, another one is y direction velocity. Two direction of acceleration. X direction one acceleration and y direction one acceleration. Two-dimensional motion means displacement, velocity and acceleration are two values. In this two-dimensional motion, we are using two vectors. One vector is A vector, another vector is B vector. This is A vector and another one is B vector. This is B vector. A vector and B vector are starts from same position. Suppose this A vector and B vector relative displacement or relative velocity or relative acceleration. That means relative motion of A with respect to B. Relative motion of A with respect to B we want. Relative motion of A with respect to B, it is write as A bar minus B bar. So, A bar minus B bar it is. Same as relative motion of B with respect to A, it is write as B bar minus A bar it is. B bar minus A bar. So, this is vector subtraction. It is vector subtraction. Relative motion of A with respect to B. A bar minus B bar, it is write as under root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Same as this is the magnitude mod AB it is. Same as relative motion of B with respect to A. Relative motion of B with respect to A. Its value under root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. This is B square plus A square. First term is B square, second term is A square. B square plus A square minus 2AB cos theta. But this relative motion RAB. So, its value equals to RBA. Magnitudes are equal it is. Equal magnitude. RAB is equals to RBA. This is vector subtraction. So, theta is angle between the two vectors. Theta is angle between two vectors. So, that means relative motion of A with respect to B, that is equals to relative motion of B with respect to A. In the same plane, in two-dimensional motion, one vector is A bar, another vector is B bar. So, this is A bar. In this direction, the velocity is VA. This direction, velocity is VB. A direction velocity is VA. B direction velocity is Vb. We want relative velocity of A with respect to B. It is write as relative velocity of A with respect to B. This is write as VA bar minus VB bar. So VA bar minus VB bar. What is the direction of this relative velocity? So this is VA bar, but this is VB bar. This opposite direction, it is indicates minus VB bar. So this is plus VB bar, this is minus VB bar. Then what is the relative velocity? So relative velocity of these two combination, this is the relative velocity, VA bar minus VB bar. VA bar minus VB bar. Same as here, relative velocity of B with respect to A. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. It is write as VB bar minus VA bar. What is the direction? VB bar minus VA bar. So this is VA bar, this is VB bar. But this is VB bar and VA bar, this is minus VA bar it is. So this is VA bar and this is minus VA bar. VA bar. So VA bar and minus VA bar it is. The resultant of these two, VB and minus VA, that resultant is indicates like this is. This is VB bar minus VA bar. That means in these two directions are opposite 180 degrees. This is VA bar minus VB bar downward. But this is VB bar minus VA bar opposite direction it is. Opposite means both magnitudes are equal but opposite direction. VA bar minus VB bar and VB bar minus VA bar. So equal magnitude but opposite direction it is. Opposite direction meant so both 180 degrees, both between angle becomes 180 degree. Okay, this problem, A and B are two objects moving two different directions. Same velocity, one object is A moving along east direction. In geometrical direction, this is east, west, this is north and this is south. So one object is along east direction, this velocity is 10 meter per second. Another object is, this is B, its velocity is VB along north direction. This is also same magnitude 10, north direction. One is east direction, another one is north direction. We want velocity of A relative to B. Velocity of A relative to with respect to B. This is we want. That means VA bar minus VB bar we want. VA bar minus VB bar. So one vector is, this is VA, this direction is VA, velocity. And another is in upward direction VB. So upward direction is VB, this direction. But downward, this is minus VB bar. This is plus VB bar, but this is minus VB bar. This is VA bar and this is minus VB bar. The angle between the two vectors is 90 degree. One is positive vector, another one is negative vector. The resultant of positive and negative Resultant of positive vector and negative vector, that is called relative vector. Resultant of positive vector and negative vector. So it is write as, the resultant is write as VAB. It is nothing but under root of VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos 90. Angle becomes 90 is given, cos 90. This term becomes 0. Its value becomes under root 10 square plus 10 square. This is 10 root 2. 10 root 2 VAB. VAB is 10 root 2. What is the direction? One vector is VAB, another vector is minus VB. Then what is the direction of resultant of these two? One is positive, another one is negative. Resultant becomes VAB. This is the resultant direction. But this is east direction and this is north, but lower direction is south. Then this is, what about the relative? This is VAB. VAB direction is southeast. Southeast is the direction. That means VAB bar. It is write as 10 root 2 southeast. So southeast is the relative velocity. So what about velocity of B relative to A? Velocity of B relative to A. So this is VB. This is VA. But magnitude is same. VBA. That is same, it is 10 root 2. But direction is important. So this is VB. This is VA. VB bar minus VA bar. So this is plus VA, this is minus VA. This is north direction, this is west direction. What about the relative? Relative is, this is north and west, दोनों का resultant. This is northwest it is. So its direction is VBA is 10 root 2 northwest it is. 10 root 2 meter per second northwest. There are 4 objects are given. One is tree, boy, old man and bird. They are having different velocities. Velocity of tree is 0. Boy velocity 16 meter per second away from the tree. Man 2 meter per second towards the tree, and bird moving 37 degree with the horizontal direction with a speed of 20 meter per second. These are 4 different objects. We want the first question, find out velocity of tree, bird, old man with respect to boy. With respect to boy, velocity of tree, first one. So, velocity of tree with respect to boy. So, this velocity becomes, so this is the tree and this is boy. Boy move away. Velocity of tree becomes 0. Velocity of boy, well, this is 16 meter per second. 16 meter per second. So what is the velocity of tree with respect to boy? This is write as Vt minus Vb. Vt becomes 0, minus Vb 16 meter per second. It is minus 16 meter per second. This is velocity of tree with respect to boy it is. Velocity of tree with respect to boy minus 16 meter per second. Minus indicates boy direction is like this. Tree direction is opposite. Minus indicates opposite direction. So boy moving in forward, tree moving backward. Then velocity of tree with respect to boy minus 16 meter per second. And next one, velocity of bird with respect to boy. Velocity of bird with respect to boy. What is this velocity of bird? Minus velocity of boy. So in a horizontal direction only considered in a horizontal direction. The bird having 20 meter per second theta angle, that is 37 degrees. But horizontal direction, the velocity of the bird 20 cos 37. Cos 37 is write as 4 by 5. This is write as bird horizontal velocity, bird x direction velocity. It is 20 into cos 37. This is 4 by 5. Its value becomes 16. So its value becomes 16. Bird velocity also horizontal direction 16 it is. So bird velocity 16 minus boy velocity also 16 in same direction. Then bird with respect to boy. Bird with respect to boy, this velocity becomes 0. Horizontally its value becomes 0. Horizontally velocity becomes 0. And third one. So is that third part. Third part, this is. So this is first question, this is A part and B part. First question, this is B part and C part. Old man with respect to boy. Old man with respect to boy. Old man with respect to boy, it is write as old man minus V boy. Old man minus V boy. So what is the velocity of old man? Old man velocity 2 meter per second. But this is 2 minus boy direction is opposite to the old man. This is considered plus, this is considered minus, then it is minus 16. Its value becomes 2 minus 16, that is 18 meter per second. Velocity of old man with respect to boy it is. Velocity of old man with respect to boy. In the same problem, the second one, find out velocity of tree, bird, boy with respect to old man. With respect to old man it is. So this is first velocity of tree with respect to old man. Velocity of tree with respect to old man. It is write as V tree minus V old man. So it is tree and this is man. Man moved towards. The velocity of tree becomes 0. Man moved towards. The old man velocity is 2 meter per second. So what is the velocity of tree with respect to old man? This is write as V tree with respect to old man. It is Vt minus V old man. Vt write as 0 minus 2. Its value becomes minus 2 meter per second. Minus 2 meter per second. V tree minus old man. It is write as. So this is write as minus 2 meter per second it is. When old man approaches, then tree comes towards the old man. Old man approaches, tree look-alike comes towards. Then it is minus 2 meter per second. This is write as, with the comparison of old man, the tree direction is like this. This is old man motion. This is a tree direction. This is plus 2 and this is indicates minus 2. Opposite. Minus indicates opposite direction. This is minus 2. And this is the first part. And second one, B. Velocity of the bird with respect to old man. In horizontally velocity of bird with respect to old man. This is V bird minus V old man. Old man. So this is V bird. Bird velocity in horizontal. Horizontal its direction is 16 meter per second. V bird is 16 meter per second minus old man. So bird direction and old man direction opposite. Approaching it is minus of minus 2. Approaching it is V bird and old man. It is write as 16 plus 2. This is write as 18 meter per second. It is. So V bird with respect to old man. So that is 18 meter per second. It is. Again third one. Velocity of boy. Velocity of boy with respect to old man. Its value V boy minus V old man. Its value becomes boy approaches. Approaches means both opposite direction. If both opposite direction, addition is compulsory. That means 16 minus of minus 2. 16 minus of minus to opposite direction. Its value becomes 18 meter per second. It is V boy with respect to old man. In third question, velocity of tree, boy, old man with respect to bird. So old man with respect to bird. Bird having two velocities. One is a horizontal, another one is vertical. Horizontal and vertical. First horizontal we complete करेंगे. So in a horizontal, the bird is velocity of tree. So velocity of tree with respect to bird. So it is write as V tree minus V bird. One is a horizontal direction, another one is vertical direction. Two conditions. Only a horizontal initially we use करेंगे. So horizontal direction V tree velocity of tree 0, and a horizontal direction bird velocity is 16. This is horizontal means x direction only. So this is 16. This value equals to minus 16 meter per second. When bird is moving forward, then tree look alike, it is moving backward. That means bird forward, tree backward means this is minus 16 meter per second. This is a horizontal direction. And same as, so this is a horizontal condition. But vertical condition is using. The vertical direction of bird vertical direction it is, this is 20, but this is vertical direction, it is V sin 37, this is vertical direction velocity. So this is 20 sin 37, 20 into sin 37, 3 by 5. Its value becomes 12. Vertical direction, its velocity 12 meter per second. In vertical direction, V tree with respect to bird. So vertical direction V tree with respect to bird, this is V tree minus V bird. So it is V tree is 0. Vertical direction, the velocity of the tree is 0. Either horizontal and vertical 0. Minus VB. VB is right as vertical direction, the bird velocity. Vertical direction means y direction. Y direction bird velocity becomes that is 12. It is right as minus 12 meter per second. V tree with respect to bird. This is a horizontal and vertical. Then again second one. Suppose the boy, velocity of boy with respect to bird. Velocity of boy with respect to bird it is. Boy with respect to bird in x direction and y direction. Horizontal direction, x direction. X direction its value is horizontal direction. So this is V boy minus V bird. V boy minus V bird. What is the value? V boy, that is 16. And V bird, same direction. Bird also same direction, horizontal. Both having same direction, 16 minus 16, its value 0. Horizontal x direction. So the relative velocity of boy with respect to bird, that value becomes 0. And y direction, this is y direction means vertical direction. Vertical direction, the boy velocity in vertical direction 0. Then y velocity with respect to bird. So this is, so velocity of y minus velocity of bird in y direction it is. Y direction boy velocity becomes, y direction boy velocity 0. Boy moving only horizontal direction, vertical direction boy velocity becomes 0. 0 minus bird velocity in y direction, that is 12. So its value is minus 12 meter per second it is. Minus 12 meter per second. Same as third one, third person, old man. Old man horizontal direction. Horizontal direction V. Old man with respect to bird. With respect to bird. Old man with respect to bird. The velocity of old man horizontal direction or x direction minus velocity of bird. So this case the directions are opposite. Old man velocity is 2 Approaching, bird is approaches, that is 16. Both directions opposite, minus of minus 16, it is 18 meter per second. 18 meter per second, velocity of old man with respect to bird. So this is 18 meter per second. But in vertical direction, same answer is there. Vertical direction, so old man, vertical direction velocity 0. And vertical direction, this value is repeated. That means minus 12 meter per second. Vertical direction, so same value is repeated in tree and bird. And boy and bird. And old man also same. Vertical direction, that is minus 12 meter per second.